self scalar product of the unit vector is always equal to 0 because the angle between them is 0 degree. So here we write that I cross I unit vector. Here we draw the unit vector. This is I unit vector, j unit vector, and k unit vector. So I cross I is equal to unit vector magnitude and the sign of the angle between them. So these are equal to 0. Similarly, j cross j is equal to 0. K cross k unit vector is equal to 0. Make the correction that is not the scalar, that is the vector. Now we write that vector cross product of unit vector is always equal to 1 because the angle between them is 90 degree. Then we write that I cross j unit vector is equal to I vector magnitude, j vector magnitude and sign of the angle between them. And we also show it unit vector, that is the k unit vector. So I cross j unit vector is equal to k unit vector. Similarly, j cross k unit vector is equal to I unit vector, and k cross I unit vector is equal to j unit vector. Now the cross product of the unit vector, we can use the circle. We can use a circle for the cross product of unit vector. Here we draw the circle. Here we take I unit vector, j unit vector, and k unit vector. If the cross product is taken counter clockwise, product is positive. So here we write that I cross j unit vector, that is equal to k unit vector, and j cross k unit vector, that is equal to I unit vector. Similarly, k cross I unit vector, that is equal to j unit vector. Here we write that if the cross product is taken clockwise, the product is negative. So here we write that j cross I unit vector is equal to minus k unit vector, and I cross k unit vector is equal to minus j unit vector, and k cross j unit vector is equal to minus I unit vector. That we can find the cross product of unit vector by using a circle method.